Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your first day of your term 6. And to kick things off, we have got our science day. So our theme this year is dinosaurs. And somewhere loose in the school is our dinosaur that's come to visit us today. So you're going to meet her at some point. So today, you all need to act as paleontologists. And a paleontologist is a special kind of scientist who looks at fossilized remains of animals. So let's think, what skills does a scientist need? They need to ask questions and set up tests or inquiries to begin to answer their questions. They need to make careful observations, make predictions, collect data to present and analyze, and they draw conclusions from their data. Here are skills that we use in school. You're going to be asking questions about the things that you're going to discover today, and you're going to be identifying and classifying things. And then you're going to support your evidence. So you're going to think about your questions and try and find some support for your answers. So learning about dinosaurs is a little like figuring out a mystery. There wasn't anybody around during the Mesozoic era to draw pictures or write down anything about them. But luckily, we have dinosaurs have left behind some clues for us to discover. And I wonder if you know what those clues are. So during the Mesozoic era, there was a Triassic period where dinosaurs evolved. Then the Jurassic period here, where the birds evolved, and the Cretaceous period here was the largest period. The dinosaurs went extinct, and we evolved much later. So the dinosaurs were around a very long time ago, 248 million years ago. So actually, dinosaur means frightening big lizard or reptile. Not all dinosaurs lived during the same geological period. For example, Stegosaurus lived in the late Jurassic period 150 million years ago. However, Tyrannosaurus rex lived much later in the Cretaceous period, 72 million years ago. So Stegosaurus was extinct for 78 million years before a T-Rex even came along. So everything we know, these are clues about dinosaurs, everything we know about non-avian dinosaurs is based on fossils, which include bones, teeth, footprints, tracks, eggs, and skin impressions. So non-avian means dinosaurs that aren't birds. For centuries, people throughout the world have discovered amazing fossilized bones and footprints. Early finds inspired legends and fairy tales as people imagined that these bones belonged to giants, huge monsters. In this picture here, this is in Argentina, which is in South America. And these paleontologists are discovering a new dinosaur. It's very big, bigger than any other dinosaur they've seen before, and it's a sauropod. A sauropod means a dinosaur with a really long neck and a really long tail, and it's a herbivore. So in this picture, they've discovered their vertebrae in their neck, and it's going to take them years to discover the rest of the body because it's all in parts and it's very deep down in the rock. So paleontology is more than just dinosaurs. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies fossilized remains of all kinds of organisms, such as plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and other single-cell living things. And it's interested in knowing history of organic life on Earth. So this is an example of paleontologists asking themselves these scientific questions. So when they're digging up these remains, they're going to look to see if it's near water. Therefore, could it swim? And how might they know if it could swim? How old could it be? Was it a herbivore, an omnivore, or a carnivore? And how might they know? Thinking about perhaps their teeth. Where did it live? Is it part of a herd? How do I know? Always looking for that scientific evidence. So your activities for the day, each year group has got their specific dinosaur to research about. Then we're going to be doing some dinosaur art and some writing based on that dinosaur. And then you're going to meet our dinosaur who's on the loose. And then you're going to do a fossil dig, acting like a real paleontologist. If there's time, you can do a dinosaur bones prediction and a paleontologist job advert. And at the end of the day, there's going to be a vote in your classrooms for the best paleontologist. So you're all going to decide as a class which student was really good at asking questions, finding evidence to support their ideas, looking for conclusions, and then you're all going to vote and that person's going to get the certificate. So what dinosaurs are you going to have in your classrooms? Let's have a look. Foundation, you're going to be looking at ornithopods, and these are dinosaurs which had bird-like feet, a little bit like a chicken feet. Here is the Hypsilophodon and the Parasaurolophus, difficult to pronounce. Marine dinosaurs for year 1. This is the Leoplodon and the Plesiosaurus. They lived in the water. Sauropods for year 2, those dinosaurs with the really long necks. This is the Brachiosaurus here and the Diplodocus. Year 3 are going pterosaurs. These are flight dinosaurs with large wings. Big carnivores for year 4, and here we have the T-Rex and the Spinosaurus, I think. Yes, it is, Spinosaurus. Year 5, we've got the small carnivores like the Velociraptors here. And year 6 have armored dinosaurs. Here we have the Stegosaurus and the Triceratops. So, good luck, paleontologists. Happy hunting for those fossils, and I hope you really enjoy your visit with our dinosaur.